Good morning. Here we are at the Snow King Resort in Jackson, Wyoming, and had a very lovely sleep. I think Ozzy's well rested for the day. Sweet little angel. Cha-cha! Ready, Ozzy? Come on, let's go. Ozzy, come on. Come on, Ozzy, let's go. Come on, let's go.
All right, downtown Jackson. Gonna go for a stroll with our buddy, Ozzy. He's in his little bag.
All right, looks like a cute town, so let's go.
Okay.
Ta-da! Should I take Ozzy for a picture? You should. We're such
Nice.
tourists, can't resist.
Everybody does it.
Gotta do it.
Ozzy, you gotta get over here.
Let me do
Elk Antlers.
from Ozzy's view. Oh, wait.
Uh-oh. Ozzy. Oh. No, Ozzy. Ozzy's mad about that. Do you hear him? Let me turn around. What do you think of that, Ozzy? You're not allowed in here. Damn it. He's not happy. All right. Sorry, Oz.
Wah,
It's to ruin your fun.
Not allowed.
Even though you look like a
You got
pocket
booted.
pet.
Even though he looks like a stuffed animal. Nice crisp morning.
Oh, it's so
Went
nice.
down to 36. It's definitely cool, but it's tolerable.
Yeah. Unless you're sleeping in your van. Look, we could have had breakfast right here on the avenue.
Huh.
You see those things over there? See if they make Ozzy growl.
What are they?
Oh, there's some kind of animals.
Oh, gotta be
Statues.
so
His ears are cold.
It's okay.
Ozzy, what's that? He's not so sure.
Huh?
Ozzy's not sure about this one. Ozzy.
You don't like him.
No, that's all right. Thank you.
Thank you, though.
Shh, Ozzy, it's okay. It's okay. It's not real. Look at those claws. Those claws. Those claws. It's okay. It's not real. Poor Ozzy. Wow, detail is something, isn't it?
A tradition in this area during the development of Jackson Hole in late winter, because the community would kind of get cabin fever, they would have a costume ball every year. So that's kind of interesting. There was a picture of them all dressed up, cowboys, Indians.
What time of year would they have it?
Late winter.
Just
So I would
nowhere in
think
particular.
January, February, I
Oh,
guess.
costume ball. Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
You know, if you're going to hit this area, go in the early morning, because we drove in late in the afternoon yesterday, packed, just packed.
Yeah.
People, cars, you couldn't get parking. So we got up early today and said, hey, let's get our photo op done. And so glad we did. There's another one down here.
They're all over. Ozzy is eating one. There's one here. Butterflies are all over the place. This spot. Unfortunately, I've been hitting a lot of them. Ozzy, get out of there. Get out of the cracks. Yeah, tons of butterflies. What are they doing? No, the door's open too.
We just did a truck turnaround and we were both craving our little ice cream. What were they? Those
Mochis,
So delicious.
coffee.
Yeah, I am so buzzing on coffee right now.
This is a beautiful spot.
This is like postcard. Look at the red.
Irene has taken it upon herself to buy her own personal squeegee so that we can clean the windshield at every stop. We're hitting so many butterflies. It's so sad. But anyway, there's a big butterfly migration going on here in the Idaho-Wyoming border. And anyway, she's at it.
Now I do the final touch, which is this one with paper towels.
I'm not done. It's still filling.
This is a full-time job.
Anyway, stopped and got this telescoping squeegee at an Ace Hardware in, I don't remember where we're in Wyoming, just outside of Jackson. Look at her there. Ah, she's really going to town.